welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Kharmalim bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Tourism boost in Meghalaya with government efforts. Climate seminar emphasizes local global impact. John to Abraham inspires young footballers during Shillong visit. And Rangbalang Youth honors St. John Bosco. And now the news in detail. On to August 16, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, along with Minister of Tourism Paul Lingdaw, mark a significant step in Meghalaya's tourism sector. In a ceremonial inauguration at K.A. Mauplang, they unveiled 5 exquisitely crafted tiny huts, aptly named Travelers' Nests. These nests designed with precision to aim to captivate tourists and offer a unique experience. These travelers' nests, thoughtfully designed with the comfort of tourists in mind, come equipped with food chambers catering to the needs of visitors seeking a cozy and immersive stay. Additionally, on the same day, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma further bolstered the state's tourism offerings by inaugurating 8 new tourist vehicles referred to as the Prime Tourism Vehicles. These vehicles are anticipated to enhance the overall tourist experience and facilitate convenient travel to various attractions within the state.
You guys can come. Don't come.
Is what we are leveraging our entire economic model on. Just before this program, I inaugurated the largest. I spoke about what happened in the last 5 years and what the last 5 years have taught us and what foundation beginning. You are seeing these 5 cottages. It's not going to end here. I have just told Dr. Vijay that there must be a viewing deck made right behind the cottages there. 5 years will be one of the most defining moments for the state of Meghalaya. What we have achieved in the last 50 years, our vision for the next 50 years will be determined on what we do in the next 5 years. And that is the vision with which we are moving forward, but we can't do it alone. Big states, big economies, speak about their model. We hear the Gujarat model, we hear the UP model, we hear the Maharashtra model. I tell people, no state is the same. And hence, if you try to do a Gujarat model in Meghalaya, it won't work. Meghalaya is unique. Meghalaya has got its own strengths, and hence we must realize those strengths, focus on them, and build our economy in a sustainable manner on those strengths that we have. And if somebody were to ask me what is our biggest strength, I'll tell you, the biggest strength of Meghalaya is its communities. The way in the last many decades and centuries, the way our communities and the social structure in the community has upheld and worked and gone through the test of time to reach where we are today is testimony of how strong this institutional setup is.
On to August 16, St. Edmund's College in Shillong commenced a 2-day seminar titled the International Seminar Cum Webinar on Climate Change and its Relation with Local, National and Global Agenda. The event was organized by the Department of Geography and Internal Quality Assurance Cell of St. Edmund's College in collaboration with NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. The seminar's inauguration took place with notable figures in attendance. Met Lingdaw, Chairman of the Planning Board of the Meghalaya Government, graced the occasion as the chief guest. The event was also honored by the presence of Dr. P. Sahu, General Manager of NABARD Shillong. During his address, Lingdo emphasized the importance of learning from seminars like this. He highlighted the urgent need to understand the repercussions of human activities on planet's climate and the vital role of taking responsibility for our actions. He stressed that only by acknowledging our mistakes and working towards rectifying them can we hope to improve our current environmental situations. The seminar was further enriched by musical performances from students and teachers representing various colleges that participated in the event.
I would like to ask all of us here, I have not just come to be just a mere chief guest in this program. I would like to ask myself, the topic, the subject that you have adopted is climate change. One has to understand first, what is that change? What is that climate change? Hundreds, thousands of seminars are being organized across the globe. Across the globe. But what is the outcome of those seminars? What is the outcome of the seminars? I would like to see that St. Anwan's College, to the students, to all the participants of this 2 days long seminars, should show results. There has to be a positive and fruitful results which comes out from this seminar. First of all, I would like to ask myself, who is the chief guest today, which you call me a chief guest, am I responsible for this climate change? I really mean it when I ask this question. Am I responsible? Be it directly or indirectly, are we responsible for this climate change? The change here we're talking about, why we have to assemble in this hall, it is because there's a negative change. It's not a positive change, it is a negative change. That's why we assemble here. And if all of us would like to own this responsibility of this negative change, then we will expect the result to be positive. For me, I have to say yes, I'm responsible. I don't know what about you, all my friends who are here in this hall. Will you agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes.
This possible cup, we take drinking water and we just throw it. Are we not responsible? Until unless we own that responsibility, we cannot change. We cannot change. All the seminars, all the workshops, all the interactions, all the discussions will be meaningless if we don't understand what exactly we are talking about and what exactly we are supposed to do. Professor Gideon, I think we are running out of time if I look at the technical sessions that you have here in the, it's supposed to start at 11, but I think the bell has given us warning that we have to stop as early as possible. It is compelled to change. It is compelled, and it was compelled to change because there's a huge kind of pressure. There's a huge kind of force which compels and drives that change of that climate. Now the question is that, who is that force? What is that force we are talking about here? Again, we have to own it. It's a human being. We only have created this change when we talk about climate. There are different reasons. If you look around, the attitude, the approach, the behavior of a human being has changed. Has changed. I still remember when I was young, in 70s, 80s, I still remember. In a society, when we talk about anything, we always talk and discuss about the welfare of the entire society. We talk and discuss about the welfare of others as well. But now, human being behavior has completely changed. It's always a self-centric kind of approach. There lies the problem. There lies the problem.
Bollywood actor and avid sports enthusiast John Abraham brought a wave of motivation and enthusiasm as he arrived in Shillong today. His visit aimed to uplift the spirits of footballers and promote the sport not only in Meghalaya but throughout the states of northeast India. During his stay, John Abraham engaged with young footballers, both male and female, who are currently undergoing training as part of the Super Elite Pathway Program 2023. Addressing the young players, Abraham emphasized the importance of hard work and dedication in achieving their goals. He shared inspiring stories from his own journey and encouraged the players to focus on their training and development to reach their desired milestones. The actor's presence served as a significant boost for the aspiring footballers, leaving them motivated and driven to pursue excellence in their sport.
These are the children, so we've tested 15,000 children,
Right.
100,000 tests
Right.
in Meghalaya,
Wow.
across all sports. These are the 9 children that were selected initially to go to a super elite program for a number of reasons. And they've been on the program only 5 weeks, but we are setting all kind of benchmark records.
Yeah.
So today we have our full session this afternoon.
Right.
But because you were coming, we wanted to also show you. So what they're doing today are
Right.
2 vertical jumps
Okay.
on our jump force plate,
Yeah.
and these count. So this isn't just practice. These are performance. We want them to perform at a high level today.
Correct.
So since they've been under heavy loading for a few weeks, which has been a
Right.
bit interesting for them, and so since between Saturday and Monday, we set 14 training records,
Right.
which is outstanding.
Crazy.
So
14 training records.
yes,
Wow.
in the vertical, the 20 meter, and fast hop over 10 meter. So today we're hoping for some solid performances. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, very well, very well.
Okay, guys, let's do it.
Come on.
That's 63.3 centimeters.
Very good.
Isa?
Is that her best?
That's 74.1 centimeters.
Okay.
That's 62 centimeters.
Well done. That might be the best.
Kasanchi? That's 61.9.
Fantastic.
73.8 centimeters. That's 79.1 centimeters.
Okay, that's the first round. We're only going to fire that many fast twitch. So, because this afternoon they have other competition. So,
Part the message, on letter will follow like that. Em. Ini wah bahagia. Em dekat bagian dadap you syukur no, long you I had something. Yep. Em so I had something, I better would follow it. Daughter would follow.
That's 60.4 centimeters.
Main secretariat. Notice will follow. Just for them to know, more.
That's 64.3 centimeters.
This is the technique. The timing issue. That's okay. You already did 74. Good. Again. Because their feet are moving on the thing and it triggers it. Okay, yeah.
Okay. John is trying.
Yeah.
One step.
Come?
Yeah. Whenever you're ready.
So how do I do it? I go.
1, 2,
So basically I
and
come
jump.
like 1, 2,
and jump.
Yes.
and straight knees.
Drive,
That's
drive
right.
up, yeah.
Okay.
Get this on film, everybody.
That's 53.1 centimeters.
That's it. One more maybe. Let's see.
You could bend your knees too.
Oh, I can bend the knees and then jump. Oh, okay.
But when you're dropping,
Okay, I didn't know.
straight.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Yeah.
That's 57.2 centimeters.
I get to 50%.
It was a pleasure and honor meeting Ian, and congratulations to the Meghalaya State Olympic Association for organizing this Super Elite Pathway program in 2023. I met some of the young athletes and they were absolutely fantastic. All of them outjumped me. They're like super level, and I was just very excited to see what they were doing on the vertical jumps, on the 20-meter tests, and this facility that Sai has provided is absolutely fantastic. So once again, congratulations to Conrad, the Honorable CM of Meghalaya, and what he's put together here, and the entire team that supports.
Youth from Rangbalang, situated far from Shillong, came together to celebrate the special day of Saint John Bosco, affectionately known as Saint Don Bosco, a true friend of the youth. Born on August 16, 1815 in a village in Italy, Saint Don Bosco's birth anniversary was commemorated with great enthusiasm. The Bosco Youth Rangbalang marked the occasion with a reverent Holy Mass led by Reverend Father Jeffrey Kharkongor, the youth director of the parish. Following the solemn mass, the festivities continued as the community united to pay homage to the saint who dedicated his life to the well-being and education of the youth.
But come children, banikai ikon chihamudai. The jingla children, the jingduai rosary, the jingduai step admit, come children, banikai ikon. But barabon sa catechism jongka kalau practical ba, kalau bersentuh ikon. Bonsin kaju lek, but kaju pasial ikon kiti jemi. But itu akan tahu bahwa the Bosco dono ya paju, dono ya paju nama ukradno, but kakam jauh kejulong kepala kejulong mila penyet akan memangret. Bagi barbo memangret kalau ka riu penting bertrade kau, ban kebakit kia ya kaniam.
On the occasion of Don Bosco's birthday, Salesians of Don Bosco worldwide celebrate the founder's legacy on 16th August. This year, the celebration at Don Bosco's sunny site, the Salesian Novitiate of Shillong Province, became more significant as Provincial Reverend Father Paul O. Lincott unveiled a book titled All in a Family. Authored by veteran Salesians and sisters, the book offers insights into the vibrant Salesian life in India, especially the Northeast region over the last century. The book showcases the Salesian family's dedication and commitment, highlighting the richness and diversity of the Salesian charism rooted in local cultures. It's intended to inspire Salesians, particularly those in northeast India, who recently celebrated the centenary of the arrival of the Salesian charism in the region.
And love of the young, St. John Bosco. It's a great joy for us really to be here in the novitiate, for you as you just to begin your life, to be with Don Bosco, to fulfill his dream, to fulfill the charism given by the Holy Spirit himself. And that's what you are here, and we all are here for this purpose, that we one day we will be the effective instruments of God's love among our young people. And as that, next year we are going to celebrate the 200th anniversary of the dream of Don Bosco. Definitely our Rector Major always stand up for this. How can we really work on, we really think about it, and the dream which 200 years ago he had, and it's being fulfilled till today. So this is a real joy for all of us. And definitely today too, I would like to release a book known as All in the Family. All in the Family. That is the Salesian family, definitely. And this will be apt today to do this, to read this book, in which it is about the history of many of our missionaries. The Salesian missionaries is 100 years, since last year, 100 years who are responsible for that. And this is a time where many people we read about history, but when you read inside, there will be so many people who made history. Most important people who made history, and that's very important. So all of us should make a history. We read the history of others, but I should make my own history in our own little way. And therefore, when you read this book, you will understand. Very nice, interesting. So many jokes are inside. All the anecdotes, many things happen to all of you missionaries, and definitely I would like to, in the name of the congregation, in the name of the province, I'd like to thank very specially for Father Matmana from Chennai province. Then we have Father John Kalapura. We have Father D. John Jayakumar. We have Father Roland Karkrang. Then we have Sister Eugenia Lalu. We have Sister Martha Martin PhD, and many other people who are involved in that. So there's the one occupying one. So this again, you want to congratulate for Father D. John, working very, very hard for this. Actually, last year we were supposed to release Rector Major. The cover was released by Rector Major last year during the centenary, but this time we did official exactly. It's a very important protocol content, which I like to all of you, my announcers, to read this, and you really enjoy, and you will be helping you to be a missionary. I should be like this missionaries who have gone before us, but let's really revive the spirit of this missionary, to go out, not only here, to go out throughout the world. And this is the invitation of our Rector Major, Adventists. Come, let us share the charism of Don Bosco wherever we are. It's not only here in our Shillong province, not only here in the Northeast, not only here in India, but across the world. 135 countries in the world we are today, and 94 provinces. It's really a gift of meeting this year. We have the church has organized our Rector Major, Angel Fernandez Academy, as a cardinal. On the 30th, he will be officially the cardinal, and he will be holding his office till July 2024. So almost a year he will be cardinal and simply Rector Major. After that, by 31st of July 2024, he will resign as a Rector Major, and I don't know, the Holy Father will appoint him, allot him on a place. I hope he will ordain him also as an Archbishop or a bishop, then he will be there. So that's the greatest gift that we have this year to give of our Rector Major as the official funds. We must be ever always available for the church, for the kingdom of God, and for the people of God. So with these words, once again, I will thank the committee for the master, Father Georgius, Father Alvisitor, Father Son, and you, my dear elders, and let us really release this print. Father P. Thomas is here. So Father Mambra, Father Kalapura, Father Sister Eugenia, Father Roland, Father John D, Father Pat is Father P. Thomas, and Sister Martha. So these are people who are
The Western Motor X Riders Club, WMXRC, joined forces with the Maurus Air Youth and Cultural Club to mark India's 76th Independence Day with a thrilling motorbike race held at Kenkaba, Maurus Air. The event served a dual purpose as it celebrated both India's freedom and the 50th anniversary of the Maurus Air Youth and Cultural Club's inception. Enthusiastic participants hailing from various parts of Khasi and Jaintia regions eagerly took part in the race, showcasing their motorbike skills and racing prowess. Among the contenders was an impressive 8-year-old boy setting an inspiring example of youthful determination. As a highlight of the celebration, the chief guest Michael Thongni from Nongson graced the occasion and presented the well-deserved rewards to the winners of the exciting motorbike race.
Maurus Air Youth and Cultural Club. Kay kandu yau san posnem maumer jongka kanika sngi wamenta masmo ban ai kublai kerpang ya pi bang abu ka jing kerku kerdo baka nang yak syaprang ha kaban ai ya ka jing syakri ya ki khon samla jong kanika dong ya dong ka thai namar ki khon samla ki long ka lawai jong kari don kam ya ki ban ai sbo ai bakin long kita ki breu long kita ki samla ki bejerngam ha kaban sam ya ki oxygen na ka jing kermen sya ka thai bro ka wei ka Motor X Riders Club. Kadi kawai ka club ya kaba ngadon ka jing yadai ka bajan bah. Nama kadi ubriu ubapek ubasumar ya ki briu ki badan jing duna ki dekat met haka Meghalaya bro kawai. Haka senam arja khat pra ngatrai ki kenmau ni kim kenmau kinong yalam ngamtip. Tambah ka don ka rally ya kaba kini ki kinhun kila yarap banyak keliang tawer ya kan ka snong nong stone bro kawai ban ai ban sam kubor bangidai ban buram lem ya ki briu ki badan jing duna ki dekat met ka pasam ya ka jing e. Kublai shibo ni ka jing hek nan sem ka jongpi nakabanta ka jing no senyang kani ka program banta ka sngi nakabanta ka jonga ka ai ya ka wei ka jingmut kum ki khon samla ni don hapdeng ka race ni don hapdeng ka thong ni hap ban yele ban poi sa kata ka thong jong ka jingjob bat habang ni mare ban poi sa kata ka thong jong ka jingjob ni dei ban pentik na ya ki artli kata kalong ka jabing bat ka mensim ka jong urang ba kadai bandon hapdeng ka jing ya teli lada ka mensim ka ya la ka jong ka pensyo ya ka jabing ginom la ban poi sa ka thong ma belai ka wan ka jing artatin kumju ka jing thau ka jonga upanya ya ka baj dai ka mensim ka thup pat dai ka thong lada tang ka thup ka poi sa ka endpoint phila ban consider ba ki job lada tang ubri umar wei klem ka thup poi sa ka endpoint nom la ban consider ki job kamut bro ar ki habanya ya rengkat ban poi sa ka endpoint hangta consider ba uyo lene kayo ya ka jingjob.
The Voice of the People Party VPP, led by party president Arden Miller Basayamot, convened a dynamic gathering at Markasa Market today. The event aimed to acquaint the people with the party's principles and manifestos, while also registering the commitment of individuals looking to collaborate with VPP for the forthcoming MDC elections in 2024. Under the banner of the VPP, the event attracted a diverse crowd eager to engage with the party's vision for the future. Accompanying Basayamot were prominent office bearers including the General Secretary of VPP, Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon. Dr. Sinkon, who doubles as the party's candidate for the upcoming MP elections, elucidated the motivations driving his decision to stand for parliamentary elections. His speech resonated with attendees, offering insight into his aspirations for the constituency and the nation. Notable figures present at the gathering include Bright Starwell Marbanyang, the MLA from Maulai, and Iban Dublin Lingdor. Both representatives from the constituency attended the event, further highlighting the significance of the VPP's mission.
Idan kamban pun kot yang ni kapot kepada nampak jengi kong kecap meneriu. Nia le markinti, nia kini, nia kong, nia pisni. Manuver peluang kong ta. Kau kipat bawi, hamdai kiberi kepada mar kepada man hias mai. Larangi nyenang ban buram bela kejong kecap meneriu. Larangi ni le benyi kiberi, larangi le benyi kibuduk, larangi lagi berhaspa. Bat penuti yang negeri kecil, in penjat no ini kiklau kita boleh robo, in ti patar yang mar kita boleh robo, dan wan kejijak yang negeri kecil. Negeri kebangi kuat nama kita kenal, kalau bangin teipat yang negeri kecil, ban penempat, ban penhapat, ban pentemai, ban pengelajor yang negeri kecil, kakom kata kaji ijai, kaji kebangi pek kasampau senam kabanuan. Kumnu ingin sandur yang kaloi kajongi kon kikti kijingi balangi mat yang ada kajing kerdu hari ini kisni balangi mat yang ada kajongi hari ini kisni balangi trip pakai jalan Meghalaya dengan jalan kebetulan hari tahan syatai lamini jonggori India balangi diri peji kijingi ki mat kijingi balangi diri kerdu kam kajing kerdu jam kakam sarkar ngimyo kam kontrak bola trehi lagi betul kabor ki MLA ki minister ki trei kam kontrak tambat kitu ki basendak joki ki bilang kato kan ni ki bilang ki lawai ki bopiang ki jaga sumar ngimyo ki school ki bobha ki school sarkar bobha ban pha ki kon ki the Voice of the People Party ka kwa banwan ra ya kata ka rukom sensha ka ban pinpiang ya ki jingdam kam jo pai ba ban pinyang lai jo pai ba ha ki ying jugi MLA ban pan bai lawai ban pinyang lai ying jugi MLA ban pan bai kot ban pinyang lai ying jugi MLA ban pan bai picnic em ni kwa ban pun khan ya ka kai ka kaji jagi pai ba ni kwa ban keshan ya ki pai ba kuno banwan ra ya kata ka jinghap kamu ka jimentoy ban pin yo iki school ki babha haga dor ka bajam ban pin yo iki jaga sumal ki babha haga dor ka bajam kata ni ka thong ka jingi lana mentahan ni ka ka jaga sumal kababian kamu di doktor kamu di nurse ki dawai ki machine ki test baro pindong gambar ci Shillong pilenta ka jaga sumal hang ni haga dor ka batat kilayo ya ka jingkot ka jingkia hendrai minta kamu gunda lasyam ka bu ada kita ni non-tri sarkar ki doktor lagi ni kisi oh nalar begini ki doktor sarkar ki place ka klinik la jong ki let sisi ki hospital kamdal kaan kaman pe kaman khmi ki upat ba ushale me namal balai bandan kata ka sinshal ka khara ka bakhoi lani menta ni mla ban khli sagani ka kinti ka menta ro ki ka dan ka jima ka basrau dan ki kliya ga baran phibot ayu haba phikli Nangno ka shnong jompi ka sedang Malabu yang kata ka cingli Nangno ka shnong jompi ka sedang Haramapi hashwa mapin chua ngong na pusan ba Dayo shwa yang ka cingut jong ka shnong Palay nabu yang ka cingli Nangno ka shnong jompi ka sedang Habang yang ka shnong Kapini yang ka cingong try Dailan Habang yang ka shnong Kapini yang ka cing shnay Hamanyang ke Shillong, kapini ke jing Shillong. Uwe wanti ke Shillong le jong judan. Ubani kanu Shillong le jong to Shillong na piwan le he tengan mic. Nene naman mulai ngas no try. Pini ke jing on try. Pini ke jing slow shine, slow climb ru Shillong le jong. Tang sabar ke Shillong ngiem no show. Nakwaman clear pi. Nang no ke Shillong jong pi ke stang. Dan mendabang banyak Shillong. Bandang kata kecil slow try, bandang slow shine, bandang slow slur, bandang slow climb. Ngarai tidak kita jaga. Haba pun kasih te slow day ke Shillong lejong. Haba pun pelajak ten slow day show ke Shillong lejong. Ting, temador no banyak dah. Te kumuken, nyong bagi slow try bagi gedi ke sini. Ini kecil perkat bagi haban perkat halamarui. Balai ke Shillong jangan mata play ke sedang tangduk namairang. Syahmat mairang nam no show, nam slow try show, ngahapan ya husiam. Kadang biji syah punya kelak jogi kena kasih gini kita mentah. Ni kot kubon, ni mi thoi thau. Kadang biji jah jogi berbalik gini jah. Hagari gini. Manobam sih dia lagi kun manpa Shillong. Yo si jah no kena manpa yim show. Manobam manpa belayu pagi kun. Jaga jaga kabang imtit yo manpa show yo sama media. Balik jah boleh gini gini. Namal bagadan kata gini slow Tarukom suatu jong kita kinoilam. Mengkusai ini paiba. Nama beli paiba suatu banjir nomi kemat. Ju perkat yang kita keje. Ju paibat sengi yang kita keje. Nama kata kau ke election ke perba. Ke election kedai ke pol ke banyak. Kedai ku kata masa. Banyak pamai, banyak syai, banyak syongkaliai. Banyak pisah, boykot pisah. Itu ikhniat pelai short election. Katakan ke bangi John Kam bangi nekran. Katakan ke bangi John Kam bangi nekran. Katakan ke jingkla ke bangi kuak kan rum. Hak cimut ke jing perkat ke jengpi. Banci Emily, banci MDC. Kam dai ke kam ke besting. Nimla banci Emily ni MDC. Tang lemar bagi syusui. Mau dia bangi itu. Udah upara marjan, udah upahiyeng, udah upara niam, upara barang, Ihapan suatu bagi yo ya kalah agar risin syarpai pa banyak sandur.
Ketika sur kejong babun balang, kabla pulang yakin noelang jaga parti, yakin nong sedang jaga parti, apa kejengelam jadi baaren, ya kapan sedang ya ketika parti. Bagai haga kat kendai teri kepada bakat way bangilam mi syaka pertai ka voice of the people party ka sur ka jong paiba but haga bede bakata na kwa bede thu epiki perlok bai bamangahi nam ji dal bantam menno bak kan no kam sucha khada ni kam politics ka kam ka jawa kalong bet thek tal kom noi kai hang kai po school ba ni hu ya kapala syakri betala pala arpuslam batoi pot kalong kum usyakri ya kam kajau kenrat balbon sin syaira nanong hage bon ki jengelang ke bon ki benta juga jengkren jongaru kere ke ma persom nong rembi nagaktin kajau play kadal kalong namar soto bah karikane kabalong kajing sisa, kaktiin ka sisa, bagaktiin ka mamsim makala menurut. Di kiparil nok bayi, abang klan yakini ka benta, abang bangam pajaran benta menurut. Kidan bakalipat balai pat pilih dong, sangat kakam politics, kabakiong kakam kabajaklia, wapi melayang nak kirusan yang kabanyalak kaktiin ka jauh belai. Kakam kabakut, kakam kabakentang. Kono pat pilih ban mi syagane ka jaka, syagane ka jakam kaba Ibril baro kiong kari kabajaknya, kakam kabangkut dan rei kai kabangi i pakai kabasyam kumunon ikai kanong. Habang apet yaki kena ki mahikai. Habang apet yaki persa ki jonga. Apet yaki kena ret. Nabu yaki ka jingkeli yaki. Halabe. Ngom dan jingker menmo. Yaki niki kena ki bangalahikai. Komunoi kai ngala ai yaki jingi kai ka biang tam. Ka bahatam. Nagamenta ban longa jingkermen yaki anda kladap yaki jingpule. Hapo ke skul ba nihu nama badin baladap ke jing pule hapo nihu laban undang so sekiwai pat ki ban pule kadika jaga pule ka ba sejong tam dan rai ka ba masem kolong ba wat baladap nanti na nihu nami i kandang ke jingkermen yaki lada kita ki baladap ke kadang ke sejong ba undang jingkermen yaki komno ki perkhatken yang itu kibarang dep isi kedam kibarang khamrit dengan bu yang kejingkeli balai bakalong kumni asal nukalawai jom kini kikon sama bagi hak kibarit dai hamo jogani habang bu yang kejingkeli ngapai pa sakita kibadai ban kmi sakita kibadai ban penbet penbiang ban penkhe ban thau kilat kelenti yang kita kibarang daladap yang kejingkeli ban sedang pat selagi jom kikam kijam lagi long kekam sarkar lagi kikam syimat kemau kakam ramhi kadai ro jom ke sarkar ya kaban pek ban kmi ya kaban penbet penbiang ban ai ya kan lawai pat jom kabashna ya kini kikon samla ke jongi mereka syam bahagia jomla ke jongi katong ya nawai Islam syawai Islam ngai penban ya kini kawai ke sisa baga jingkar men ya ka lawai ka besyan ka jingkar men ya ka lawai ka pulai ka syam tan hakita pa kengya ko ke badon ka jiyade baki badon hagabon ke badon ka spa ke badon kata ka ke badon kata ka la ganti batno re batno ke badon hagabon dengan syampat lu ikan 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 sisa katno kibadon kumkata hanya jelas ini katno kibabon kibadon kata kespa katno kibabon kibadon kata kejidai keberjan bat kita kibadon ada bon bana sufu ikan ikan way plan bagadon ke jinduna bat ke jinduko hagita kibabat kibabon hagita kibadai banai ke jingkermen ya kaloi jom ki khom ki ti jongi dewa hama pusang ba perkhat na don kata ke sokhya ke bensin na perkhat na dam tai de ngalabiang shimet ka jaka ka ba trenga kta ka tulot ka ba yo kalabiang bangan perkhat na de shimet nai hatu ka mongse ka bangan perkhat tan na tai de shimet awal ko mau you try jongi lalu berkat ila di syimat unna ayup hibanuan syedari kapertai kabarjat kabaram banyak penyam milai jaktong bat kanika jingterse kabaram nagri kapertai nari ayam uwan namarbo isnai yaga jinglon jingman juga pertai namaru tepte utawi iya kabakot nadu kabastang utet kai kaban alat ikita kebam patjo ma yaga takajing kebam tep yaga takalenti kabakini banyak kai ke mga ikalong kong usakri jong play abang apet ya kani ka jinglong jingman jong kani ka jala ka jongi kam tam ho perkhat ya ka lawai jing ikun sama senang bakal thei na ong bakal de ka pon ya nga bang lei nam te pan le kono dan rei nga han wo yo play bau play ka la klenti aga ba renkat pa iba aden iba la itu itaw la kamsem ba iru kung utang mengilang obadon ni kemensin kebesukya am syok na bentai lagi may nagamtakan laway jong kikon dikti namari em benta nagamta kan laway jong kikon dikti lagi em tang na bentai lagi pikir lawang dikme dikpa atau ni ayusho biang yodi nyemyok jasho may kat kabang hile nagamta kan lawai jong ki khon dikti kadai mun mai kata Kaya pila benta, pihak sa, naga benta kang lawai jong ki khon ki ti jong pi. Kata kan jong sisa, kom nang hikai. Oba don kata jong smokia, na shem kan ye kan karai, pan mi shakmat, ban na smoto ru ye kan kawai. Oh ngadon ta jinget, nai kata jinget ka klam ka jingle, kamang ka bayap. Dai nomor kata masam mi shakmat. What like a break on all the politics on the Bajaklia, like a soto, Bakadeka politics of Bajaklia, Kabala Wandra, Yakajin Bumshan, Kabala Wandra, Yakajin Dojin Garman, John Kikon, Samla, Jongi Shimlan, Batkan Pay. Namar Kita, Kiba Davan, Agajin Kerman, Kita, Kekabakile Kalong, Tan Nakabantai Lady Shimet, Baki Kato Kane, Kebaki Ito Ital. Ke sama kan pai kadri bekerja kundri kajungi lada nyimpen baik ya kani lada nyimpen baik ya kani kajing kendrian wadai nomor kata koki perlapi mana so shim ya kani karai mana so ai mo you play bau sai ya kani ka party apo ka jinglam kajungi barden haka ya ka mo biantam shwa baga ri baga jat kundri kajungi kanam jelo shwa baga lawe jong ka Japanese ka jogi ka lawe jogi khon ki kti jogi ken ka long ki brau hanno haga kti jomno dai haga ba kun ka ya ka ba slow play say kom ba ka ju ja ka jogi ya tan ti jogi khon israel man la ka ba ki rakhe ya ka jubilik siar ke ba pula ki ju ja na slow ba ong ba haga jala ka jogi ru ha shwa ba ka jala jogi kan rakhe ka jing da sam poslam Kajala kabahanda hatapor bagang dap ya kata kajing dap saboslam ni sham bagang long kajala kabah ya haki bunta baro then next come bagang ne kajing meet to the voice of the people party kam day kabah sujaran kha nai ka day ka plan ka jong play nakabanta ka loy kaman ai kajing kermen ya ki khon samla jungi shamram bagang thai te kompa ni won bak ni like kaleng ya ka pun snow ya ki nongrem jong ka party kenapa ki papa kin sloto bakin pet ya ka menta hato don jikerman ne habang i pet ya ka menta nagam ta kalawai ki kon ki sim jongi ngan not panon naman kat shabang ik pai kat shabang like ni snow ya ka sol kabaki kme ki kwa ki on mi don jikerman ya kan lawe jogi ko se ke jogi te manoban aya kata ke jingkerman ya you play baga de ka sansar khada ka kumlo pa de tanga sansar khada ka ba ko ka sansar khada ka ba break ka ba suba ka ba don ki namrim
The Office of the Deputy Commissioner of East and West Khasi Hills District, in collaboration with the West Khasi Hills District Kho-Kho Association, on August 15 to organize a pioneering archery competition in the district aimed at revitalizing the sports presence in the state. The competition drew participants not only from the local region but also from Shillong. The venue for the event was a Dom Maulum ground in Mairang. The competition was divided into two segments, an individual competition and a group competition. Participants exhibited their skills and determination as they engaged in the exhilarating contests. Throughout the competition, participants gave their utmost effort to secure victory. In the individual category, D. Khongsngi emerged as the winner, earning a commendable reward of 10,000 rupees. Similarly, in the group category, the Rangbiria team from Shillong showcased their prowess, clinching victory and claiming the 10,000 rupees cash prize.
Secondary School Maura, Bachelor Kapat and Nomad Memorial School.
Sini mah. Hai sini.
Asik. Bagi dan doa. Selamat sih. Jika mengalah pelaj lola dei teha itang ba iteka nong i ngilara teha lasong
Kapsar Jogstar Shillong. Kami nak kita.
Mau Panyo SC emerged victorious in the 2nd Division League Football Tournament 2023, securing a 1-0 win against Kinchi Maurya SC. The 10th final match took place on August 15th at the Dom Maulum Penteng Umyong ground. Despite a goalless first half, both teams displayed remarkable determination in the second half. Eventually, Mau Panyo SC scored a crucial goal in the dying minutes of the 90-minute match, securing the championship title. As a reward for their victory, the winning team received a cash prize and a trophy. Additionally, both Mau Panyo SC and Kinchi Maurya SC earned the opportunity to advance to the 1st Division League of PTSA, a prestigious annual event. In response to an incident that occurred on the 13th of August 2023 within one of the boys' hostel at Northeastern Hill University, Nehu in Shillong, the Nehu Students' Union, Nehu SU and Achik Nehu Students' Union, ANSU, have issued a joint statement condemning the incident and clarifying that no communal issue is involved. The incident, which took place around 11 p.m, was firmly denounced by both Students' Union. They categorically stated that there is no basis for any communal tension in connection with the event. Both NEHUSU and ANSU have appealed to all stakeholders and members of the media to refrain from exacerbating the issue. Instead, they implore everyone to unite in maintaining an environment of peace and amicability among the student community as well as in the state of Meghalaya. As the incident reverberates, the Students' Union to appeal for unity serve as a reminder of the crucial role that peaceful coexistence plays in fostering an environment conducive to academic growth and personal development. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.